Hi, everyone. Welcome to Be Different for Success. Today, we'll be talking about Law of Attraction. Henry Ford was completely correct when he famously quoted, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." There is absolutely no doubt that we are capable of becoming whatever we think ourselves to be. There is no ambition too big or dream too outlandish that we are not able to think into reality. This is where the law of attraction can be utilized to our advantage. With an understanding of the law of attraction and an open mind to the possibilities that surround us, we are all able to transform ourselves into the successful person we have always hoped to be. It really doesn't matter who you are or what your current situation in life may be. When you are looking to become more successful, the one thing that you should remember is this: there are no ceilings or restrictions on how much you are able to achieve as an individual. Within you is limitless potential and never-ending possibilities. Understand this and believe this down to your very core. Then you'll have discovered one of the keys to the law of attraction. Think positively to attract success. Society has taught for a long time now the importance of positivity in finding success. This is not a new concept in any way, but is a core teaching of the law of attraction. It explores the idea that positivity can only result in more positivity. You'll find an interesting video on this topic, The Power of Positive Thinking, in the description below. You may often wonder at the positive thinkers of the world, those who we admire for their ability to pick themselves up, brush themselves off, and still offer the world a smile. This is a habit for them, even when to us their situation may seem bleak. These positive individuals often stand out to us for their eternal enthusiasm and happy demeanor. These people are a living example of the power of positivity in a person's life, not to mention the great things that often come their way. Opening your mind up to the positivity that surrounds you will not only give you a brighter perspective on the boundless opportunities already in your life, but also help you recognize your own potential. It allows you to have greater faith and believe in yourself and everything you are capable of. Here's how successful people use the law of attraction and 10 ways you can too. Number 1. Define what you want and ask for it. This is the simplest premise of the law of attraction. Ask. Even answering the question, "What do you want?" focuses your mind and forces it to gain clarity. The law advises that you ask clearly and you don't give mixed signals. If you are asking for something you don't really want or you don't fully believe is achievable, it's not going to happen. If your requests say one thing but your actions tell a different story, the messages lack the congruency required for success. How often do most people fail to ask for what they want? Instead, they passively see what happens, or they expect that someone else will know what is required. Practice clearly asking for what you want of yourself or team or clients. As soon as you ask the question, the request is far more likely to come into fruition. Number 2. Be the hero of your day, not the victim. Expect the things you want, not the things you don't want. If you expect to face difficult challenges and rude people, you are training your mind to notice those adverse things. You are, in effect, attracting them to you. Decide that instead you're going to have a great day, or a productive day, or a revealing day. Decide that you will bring your best self. You will rise to every challenge, and your work will make a difference. Each day when you wake up, choose whether you have to do something or you get to do something. One makes you the victim, the other makes you the hero. Decide that you will use the day to get closer to your goals, and that is exactly what will happen. Make this process a habit. Number 3. Be aware that like attracts like. According to the law of attraction, like attracts like. If you complain and moan, you will likely attract conversations of complaint and moaning. You're operating on that frequency, so complainers and moaners find you. Positive conversations attract positive people. Success attracts success. You can see it working on a basic level. If you tell someone about your running injuries, they will tell you about theirs. If you share stories of your best race ever, you will hear similar stories in return. If you are difficult to deal with, you will find yourself with clients who are too. You set the tone, and that decides the tone you will hear back. Number 4. Believe success is inevitable. The law of attraction demands that you decide what you want, but leave how you'll get it to the universe, higher power, or whatever title you use for that which is out of your control. Most people who achieved amazing feats didn't know exactly how they were going to do it. They just knew that somehow they would. Believing also involves acting like something is already yours. Act like you have the multi-million-dollar company of your dreams, or act like the expert you want to become. If you knew for sure that in the end everything would work out, it would change how you approached each day. Create a clear vision of your business goals, and then step into the version of yourself that has reached them. Check out the amazing video, How You Can Help a Millionaire Mindset, in the description below. Number 5. Focus on feeling good. Shifts in thought patterns are powerful and can instantaneously change your trajectory. If you're thinking about how hopeless your situation is, soon your mind will bring you other examples of hopeless situations. You'll start to believe that every situation is hopeless, and soon that's all you will see. These thought patterns can spiral. Practitioners of the law of attraction advise you to write a list of specific songs, mantras, or videos that you can see or watch that will shift your mindset straight away. You can find many videos on this same topic on our YouTube channel. I invite you to take a look. The longer you hang out in misery, the harder it is to escape it. The more you practice shifting to a higher frequency, happier mindset, the easier it will be to stay there indefinitely. Number 6. Take inspired action. According to the law of attraction, there is a difference between work and taking inspired action. Taking inspired action towards goals does not feel like work. It feels natural and effortless. There will be a clear purpose behind everything that you are doing. Contrast this with work, where your labor and exertion feel like you're slogging away, doing something that doesn't align with your ideal future. Are you taking inspired action or working hard? Number 7. Practice gratitude. The more you practice being grateful for specific elements of your life, the more you will have to be grateful for. It's the same with the people around you. I am grateful for my agency's team leader because she prides herself on self-sufficiency, which means I can work on my business rather than in my business. I am grateful for my agency's account managers because they are resourceful and conscientious, which means our clients are happy. Think of why you are grateful for the people in your business. Being specific and telling those people will lead to more of the same behavior, which will lead to having more to be grateful for. The ways in which people are valued forms part of their identity, which reinforces and strongly aligns with their actions. Number 8. Reframe time. Believing that you never have enough time to do anything will mean that you never have enough time to do anything. Subconsciously, your actions will match that belief. Things will crop up and you'll allow yourself to be distracted. You'll look for ways to be proven right. The law of attraction asserts that negative affirmations, such as, "I can't do this," are highly damaging. Instead, try telling yourself that you have more than enough time to do everything you want to do, that you are more than capable. Tell yourself there is no rush and that you are an expert at managing your time. Watch how your mindset shifts and how your actions align to make your belief a reality. You can find a link in the description below about time management. Number 9. Believe in abundance. Some entrepreneurs are obsessed with the competition. They see everything as a zero-sum game with a winner and a loser. Your gain has to be someone else's loss, and vice versa. In reality, it doesn't need to be like that. Even if your closest rival is winning big, it doesn't mean you can't too. Perhaps they have gone down a different route. Perhaps they have validated a market and made your path easier. Perhaps they will end up acquiring you, and their success will become yours by definition. Focusing on someone else is attention that could be far better spent focused on your own game. Number 10. Dream big. Picture receiving a check for $1 million. If you believe that $1 million is unattainable, or a lot of money, or unrealistic, you will treat it accordingly. If you believe it's an amount you could never have or aren't worthy of, your actions will match that belief and your future will be consistent with it too. Instead, value yourself higher. Choose to believe that what you say and do has value and that your actions have the power to create money and profound impact. Confidently state your price and wholeheartedly believe that it's worth every cent. Put forward more impressive and ambitious plans because you have belief in your capability to deliver them. You can find a link in the description below about Dream Big. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.